Baby shark doo-doo-doo wade, splashing in the ocean blue on wiggle waggle tail so fast. Let's find fun that really lasts. Baby shark is swimming wide and doing flips from side to side. Then suddenly, big roar, roar, roar! Something jumps out near the shore. Tiny. Dino sneezes. Splash! He falls into the blue. Got baby shark laughs. Hey, are you okay?
Oh,
Dino
no.
says, "Oops, I'm just trying to play." Hey! Dino stomps, boom, boom, boom. Makes big waves like zoom, zoom, zoom. Baby shark spins round and round. Both are making funny sounds. Splash, splash, wiggle, wag. Big Dino dances, shark goes wag. They try to copy each other moves. Dino swims, oh no, he grooves. Baby shark walks like a day, no two, they both laugh. Hoo, hoo, hoo. They find food floating by Dino eats, then starts to fly. Ha ha! Woo! He goes super loud. Baby shark laughs very proud. Food falls everywhere, splashy mess. Oops, we made a funny stress. Ha ha! Dino jumps, boom, in sand. Now he's stuck on a plan. Baby shark tries to pull him free. Push, push, push. 1, 2, 3. I slip, splash into sea head. Both go spinning like crazy spree. Oopsie doo, what a day. Funniest friends in every way. Now they laugh and splash all day, doing silly games they play. Dino roars, baby shark sings help. Friendship, joy that ocean brings them. Baby shark and Dino fun. Best silly friends under the sun. 5 little monsters were riding on a bus. One jumped off and bumped his knee. The driver called the wizard, and the wizard said, "No more monsters jumping on the bus. Riding on the bus, riding on the bus. No more monsters jumping on the bus." Honk, honk, beep, beep. 4 little monsters were riding on a bus. One jumped off and broke the wheel. The driver called the ferry, and the ferry said, "Stop the monsters rocking the bus." 3 little monsters were riding on a bus. One jumped off and broke the horn. The driver called the dragon, and the dragon roared, "Stop these monsters breaking the bus." 2 little monsters were riding on a bus. One jumped off and tore the seat. The driver called the mermaid, and the mermaid said, "No more riding on this shaky bus." 1 little monster was riding on a bus. He jumped off and cracked the bus. The driver called the wizard, and the wizard said, "Fix the bus, fix the bus, fix the bus, let's fix the bus." Clap, clap, clap! They fixed the bus. Yay, yay, yay! All the monsters helped to fix the bus. Now it's shining without any fuss. The driver called the monsters and they all shouted loud, "Come on, friends, let's ride this bus tonight." Pop, pop, wait, what's that? Something big is floating back. Pop, pop, look above. Baby shark is stuck, oh no, oh no. Baby shark was playing free, blowing bubbles in the sea. One grew bigger, bigger, wow. Uh-oh, I'm inside it now. Floating slowly to the sky. Mommy, help, I'm flying balloon. Grandpa says we'll get him soon. Catch, catch, hurry up. Save him from that bubble cup. Swim and jump and reach the top. Don't let baby shark go pop. Daddy jumps but slips away. Sharp shell can make it pop. Crab comes in with pinch so tight. Let's save baby, do it right. They jump together, 1, 2, 3. Pop, splash into the sea. Pop, 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 down you go. Splashing in the waves below. Safe and sound, shout hooray. Baby shark is saved today. Baby shark laughs, that was fun. Let's not do that again. Okay, one more run. Everyone shouts no, no, no. They all laugh and swim around. Happy bubbles all around. Pop, pop, small ones only. No more giant bubbles, homie. Clap your fins and it's the way. Bubble fun saves the day. Pop, 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 pop. Fun like this will never stop. Sing along and you will see happy sharks in the sea. Pop, 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 balloons so high. Baby and shark are standing by. It's birthday time, come let's play counting balloons the fun way. Baby shark, baby smiles and claps with joy. High, high. Baby shark jumps like a toy. One red balloon flies in the air. Let's pop it now, are you there? Pop it bursts, what a sound. One is gone, not around. One balloon, happy cheer. Two blue balloons floating high. Baby and shark give a try. Pop, pop, they both go away. Happy birthday, let's all play. Two balloons, count with me. Three green balloons start to dance. They say give us one more chance. Baby laugh, shark look shocked. These balloons are talking a lot. Oh wow, wow, what is this? Baby runs, shark swims fast, trying to pop them at last. Pop one hides behind a tree. Now only two left, one to see. Counting fun, don't you stop. Suddenly balloons turn into cake. Birthday magic, wide awake. Baby claps, shark says wow. This is the best party now. Pop confetti in the air. Double birthday joy everywhere. Pop, pop, balloons, count and play. Baby and shark's birthday day. Laugh and sing, come join the fun. Happy birthday, everyone. Five baby sharks were swimming around, eating everything they found. Burger here, an apple a here. The yummy food is everywhere. Crunch, 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 what a bite. They eat all day and night. Four baby sharks were swimming fast. One ate too much, tummy got blast. He couldn't swim, he felt so slow. Too much food made my belly grow. So the ocean doctor came and said, stop eating like this instead. No more snacks, no more play. Eat carefully every day. Wow! Three baby sharks were having fun. One bit candy and started to run. But crack! His teeth got a break. Oh no, no, big mistake. So the crab doctor came and said, hey, too many Crunchy snacks made him fall. Oh no, no, this is not all. So the jellyfish said in glow, eat healthy food, don't eat slow junk show. No more chips, no more fries. Eat fruits that are fresh and nice. Whoa! One baby shark was left alone, still eating snacks on his own bone. He tried one bite, then crashed. Oh no, Huss, he couldn't even swim below. So the wise old whale came near. Listen, baby shark, come here. Stop eating everything you see. Healthy food is the key. All baby sharks then learned the way. Healthy